just show you some other deformers, and one of them's really interesting. Is anyone making need to make corrugated iron? Like, yep. All right, cool. This is for you. So I've just taken a plane, and I'm just going to subdivide it. Add some more subdivisions. All right. Before I do that, let me just demo what's going on some sort of basic shapes. So here's a sphere, and let me just scale this up a bit. And under modeling deformers, we have non-linear deformers, and we've got a variety of them. One's bend. So if we bend, we can change the curvature of the object. So the only reason it works well is because I've got enough subdivisions for it to not create artifacts, right? So the edge flow is really cool. So we can, but there you go. We've done a banana. Not as accurate though, is it? The other one's a bit more accurate. But yeah, you could make like a variety of them. Oops. I'll clone that off. So that's the bend deformer, which is cool. With a bend, you can have got like a lower or high bound. So you can change, you can just bend it in a certain way. Just get rid of that. What else is there? I'm just going to bring up all the deformers. If you click on the dotted line at the top, it breaks off the window. Flare, let's chuck that in. Start, flare out the bottom. It's kind of interesting. Again, it's got enough geometry in there, so it actually looks all right. Sine, so this is like a sine wave. So I can change to the sine wave, and I can increase the waves, yeah. Okay, so it hasn't got enough geometry in there, but if I increase it, it's kind of working. So I'll just get rid of that. But you can put multiple of these onto, so I can go twist. That's a bit hard to see. There you go. I'll turn on my wireframe on shading. So just here, and grab the curve, twist, in and up, start, end. So that can be kind of handy. And also a wave. So it's actually, this will be better for a wave. So I'll chuck the wave on that. And amplitude, you can change wavelength. So yeah, some crazy stuff. Now, so to create a corrugated iron, what we need is the sine wave. And sine. And yeah, anyhow. And then just reduce the amount and so forth on that. To get it right. There it is. Control, just reduce it right down. That's it. And then, yeah, come back into the polyplane and remove the subdivisions. So maybe we only need one subdivision through there. And maybe we want some more through there. That's okay. But, what's kind of, what you can do as well is if we have subdivisions through here, you can put that physics onto it and sort of like make them bend a bit and that sort of thing, which would be kind of cool. So you can get into the production, make a whole heap really quickly. And yeah, it's, you know, making things not super perfect is also good. So maybe that's when you could use like the sculpt tool and sort of we'll just change the sculpt strength. Let's go 5. It's a bit too high. 1. B key increases the size of the brush. You know, make some variation. That sort of thing. Alrighty. Okay. So yeah, lots of awesome things you can do with these deformers. They're really handy, not just for animation, but also from a modeling perspective.